We can avoid as much as 40% of cancers by just changing our lifestyle habits. Hi guys, this is Dr. Kavita. Welcome to the first video of 7 things. So I'll be talking about the 7 habits that we can change to avoid cancer. Number 1, smoking. As much as 20% of all new cancers are due to smoking. Tobacco itself is a carcinogen responsible for so many cancers apart from the lung cancer which we hear so commonly about. Smoking cigarettes or chewing tobacco in any form puts you at risk of developing various types of cancers like oral cancer, laryngeal cancer, pharynx cancer, lung cancer, pancreatic cancer, esophageal cancer, kidney cancers, and the list goes on. For example, if a person smokes 20 cigarettes per day for 50 years, he is 50 times at more risk than a person who is a non-smoker. A person smoking cigarette will always be at a higher risk than a person who is a non-smoker. Next is alcohol. Yes, even drinking little amounts of alcohol can put you at risk. There are many cancers that alcohol poses risk to, especially breast cancer, oral cancer, pharyngeal cancer, esophageal cancer, pancreatic cancers, and various other. Now, the most dangerous combination. Yes, yeah, it's alcohol and cigarette together. They pose a very high risk. They pose a very strong risk when combined together. Nutrition. Nutrition plays a very important role in the development of various cancers like breast cancer, colon cancer, and gastric cancer. Increased fatty food increases risk of breast cancer and colon cancer, while heavy consumption of processed meat increases risk of colorectal cancer and gastric cancer. Food contamination by pesticides and other industrial substances also increases risk of cancer. So guys, always make sure that you wash your vegetables and fruits thoroughly before consuming them so as to avoid the consumption of pesticides. Increase intake of processed food or packaged food increases risk of gastric cancer and colorectal cancer. If there are increased risk of food that is grilled on high temperature that generate polycyclic aromatic amines, that also increases risk of development of cancer. High salt intake or the food that is conserved in salt also increases the risk of cancer. So guys, if you are addicted to the spicy food and heavy salted food, please avoid that because it increases the risk of cancer. Lifestyle habits. I know COVID has forced us to all to work from home. So you might be sitting for long hours or you don't have any colleges open or schools open. There has been enough evidence that lack of physical activity poses a risk for development of cancer. And according to a recent study, even if you manage to exercise for 1 hour per day, that is sufficient to protect you against various cancers like colorectal cancer, breast cancer, prostate cancer, and many others. So guys, don't procrastinate and at least manage to exercise for 1 hour at least 5 days a week. Sexual habits. Having multiple sexual partners or practicing unsafe sexual habits can increase risk of STDs. But did you know that it also increases risk to a particular sexually transmitted infection that is called HPV, human papilloma virus, and that is a main causative agent of cancers like cervix cancer, endometrial cancer, and anal canal cancer. Also, oral sex increases the risk of oropharyngeal cancer. Infections. Just like HPV, there are other infections like H. pylori that causes acidity in most of the individuals, and in the long run, if it is not treated, it can cause gastric ulcer. Other infection like hepatitis B viral infection or hepatitis C viral infection increase the risk of liver cancer. How we can save ourselves from it? So for HPV, there are specific vaccines available in India called as Gardasil or Cervarix. So they are given in 9 to 28 years of females. So you can get yourself vaccinated. For the hepatitis B virus, there is also vaccine, and if you are not yet vaccinated, please do so. And if you have recurrent acidity, please get it treated because if left untreated, it can increase risk of cancer. History of radiation exposure also increases risk of cancer. So even as minimum exposure as getting an X-ray done frequent X-ray exposure or CT scan also increases risk of cancer. So it is always advisable to see the risk and benefit ratio going under any radiographic imaging. Till the next time, see you all. Stay healthy, stay safe. Namaste.